Embracing the Future, an MBA crash course on digital transformation and Industry 4.0. Introduction. Welcome to our MBA crash course on digital transformation and Industry 4.0. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the transformative power of digital technologies, share captivating stories and examples, provide an overview of the top 12 digital transformation and Industry 4.0 technologies, and conclude with a poetic and melodic tribute to the revolution that lies ahead. Section 1. Digital Transformation and Industry 4.0. Digital transformation is the integration of digital technologies into all aspects of a business, fundamentally changing how organizations operate, deliver value to customers, and compete in the marketplace. Industry 4.0 refers to the fourth industrial revolution, characterized by the convergence of digital technologies and the physical world. Let's dive into intriguing stories and examples that illustrate the impact of digital transformation and Industry 4.0. Story 1. Tesla's automotive revolution. Tesla, an electric vehicle manufacturer, has disrupted the automotive industry with its digital-first approach. By combining electric power with cutting-edge software, Tesla has transformed the way cars are designed, manufactured, and experienced. Their vehicles are equipped with advanced connectivity features, over-the-air updates, and autonomous driving capabilities, redefining the concept of transportation. Example 1. Amazon's e-commerce dominance. Amazon, a global e-commerce giant, has revolutionized retail by embracing digital technologies. Through innovations like one-click purchasing, personalized recommendations, and efficient supply chain management, Amazon has created a seamless shopping experience. Their use of big data analytics and artificial intelligence has reshaped the retail landscape, setting new standards for customer convenience and satisfaction. Section 2. Top 12 Digital Transformation and Industry 4.0 Technologies. Digital transformation and Industry 4.0 are powered by a range of technologies that enable organizations to drive innovation, enhance operational efficiency, and deliver superior customer experiences. Here are the top 12 technologies driving the digital revolution. 1. Internet of Things, IoT, connecting devices, sensors, and machines to collect and share data, enabling smart and interconnected systems. 2. Artificial intelligence, AI, simulating human intelligence to automate tasks, make data-driven decisions, and deliver personalized experiences. 3. Big data analytics, processing and analyzing large volumes of data to uncover patterns, trends, and insights for informed decision-making. 4. Cloud computing, storing and accessing data and applications over the Internet, providing scalability, flexibility, and cost efficiency. 5. Robotics and automation, utilizing robots and automation technologies to streamline processes, improve productivity, and enhance safety. 6. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, enhancing user experiences by overlaying digital information onto the real world or creating immersive virtual environments. 7. Blockchain, providing secure, transparent, and decentralized digital transactions and record-keeping, with applications in supply chain management and financial transactions. 8. Cybersecurity, protecting digital assets, networks, and data from unauthorized access, ensuring the confidentiality and integrity of information. 9. 3D printing, creating physical objects layer by layer based on digital models, enabling rapid prototyping, customization, and reduced manufacturing costs. 10. Edge computing, processing and analyzing data closer to its source, reducing latency, enabling real-time decision-making, and enhancing data privacy. 11. Autonomous systems, enabling machines and systems to operate and make decisions without human intervention, such as autonomous vehicles and drones. 12. Quantum computing, leveraging the principles of quantum mechanics to solve complex problems and perform high-speed calculations. Section 3. Summary. In this MBA crash course on digital transformation and Industry 4.0, we explored the transformative power of digital technologies and their impact on industries and businesses. Through captivating stories and examples, we witnessed how organizations like Tesla and Amazon have harnessed digital transformation to revolutionize their respective industries. We then delved into the top 12 digital transformation and Industry 4.0 technologies that are driving this revolution, ranging from IoT and AI to blockchain and quantum computing. These technologies are not just buzzwords. They represent the foundation of a new era of business, where innovation, efficiency, and customer centricity reign supreme. The convergence of these technologies enables organizations to reimagine their business models, streamline operations, and deliver seamless and personalized experiences to customers. Digital transformation goes beyond implementing new technologies. It requires a cultural shift within organizations. It demands a mindset of continuous learning, agility, and adaptability. It involves rethinking traditional processes and embracing a data-driven approach to decision-making. It empowers employees to embrace change, collaborate across functions, and think creatively to drive innovation. Successful digital transformation journeys are characterized by strategic vision, strong leadership, and a focus on customer value. Organizations that proactively embrace digital transformation position themselves as leaders in their industries, gain a competitive edge, and unlock new growth opportunities. Section 4, Poem, Embracing the Digital Revolution. In the realm of bits and bytes, a revolution begins. As digital waves ripple, innovation wins. Digital transformation, a journey anew. A world of possibilities, waiting for you. IoT connects the web of things. I unveils the wisdom it brings. Big data's treasure trove, patterns untold. Cloud computing's embrace, flexibility unfolds. Robotics and automation, a dance of machines. AR and VR, alternate realities it convenes. Blockchain secures, decentralizing trust. Cybersecurity protects, digital threats it thrusts. 3D printing molds dreams into shape. Edge computing empowers data's escape. Autonomous systems, technology's chore. Quantum computing, unlocking mysteries galore. From Tesla's electric roads to Amazon's virtual cart. Digital pioneers, setting businesses apart. Agility and innovation, their guiding star. Customer centricity, taking businesses far. In this digital revolution, let's take the lead. Embrace the future, sow the seeds. With strategy and vision, we'll chart our way. Digital transformation, the dawn of a new day. Section 5, Song, The Digital Revolution. Verse 1. In a world of transformation, where possibilities collide. Digital revolution, a new era we stride. From IoT to AI, the technologies abound. Unleashing innovation, where boundaries are found. Chorus. Digital transformation, a journey so grand. Where businesses thrive, on digital command. From blockchain security to cloud's endless sky. We're shaping the future, as the digital world flies. Verse 2. Robotics and automation, dancing hand in hand. AR and VR, a surreal wonderland. Big data's insights, a gold mine untold. Cybersecurity's shield, protecting what we hold. Bridge. With 3D printing's magic, dreams come alive. Quantum computing's power, where mysteries thrive. Edge computing's speed, at the edge of our reach. Autonomous systems, a future within our speech. Chorus. Digital transformation, a symphony of change. Where organizations adapt, and new heights we range. Embrace the revolution, let's lead the way. Innovation and agility, shaping our destiny. Outro. As we conclude this MBA crash course. Digital transformation, a powerful force. Embrace the technologies, seize the digital tide. For in this digital age, we'll triumph side by side. In conclusion, this MBA crash course on digital transformation and Industry 4.0 has provided a comprehensive overview of the transformative power of digital technologies. We explored captivating stories and examples, listed and described the ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid = 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.